Unveiling the Basics. What are clay pellets? Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore what clay pellets are. These two words can unlock a world of meaning, especially for learners like you who are curious about every aspect of the English language. So, let's dive in and understand this term together. To fully grasp the meaning of clay pellets, we first need to understand what clay is. Clay is a type of soil or earth that's very fine-grained and often found near water sources. It's malleable when wet, which means it can be shaped and formed. When it dries, it becomes hard and sturdy. Clay is used in various crafts and construction materials. Now, let's talk about pellets. Pellets are small, rounded, compressed objects that can be made from various materials. In our context, when these are made from clay, they are referred to as clay pellets. They are usually about the size of a pea and can have multiple uses, which we will explore next. Clay pellets have various applications. They are often used in gardening and hydroponics. That's growing plants without soil, using mineral nutrient solutions in a water solvent. Clay pellets are great for this because they can retain moisture and provide a stable base for the plants to grow on. They also have uses in landscaping, construction, and even in some sports for marking lines on the ground. Understanding terms like clay pellets is not just about adding words to your vocabulary. It's about getting a deeper insight into how language reflects culture and practical life. Every new term you learn is a step towards understanding the context in which English is used, be it in everyday conversation, professional scenarios, or specific hobbies and interests. I hope this exploration of clay pellets has been enlightening. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new aspect of the English language and its vast applications. Keep learning and stay curious. Until next time, happy learning!